What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the mini to fill ClearCut number 2. We're going to run this just like a Raz. We're going to go live. We're live at 3:37. It's 3:37 here in Denver. I'm going to go and grab our list. We got Anders on top and bottom. I think I got it there. Go. Anders on top and bottom. Guys, we're going 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2. Anders would have really liked that one. That's our timestamp after 2, 3:38. 3:38, third and final time, guys. Good luck to everyone. Anders, Frankie, and Travis. Top 4. Frankie, your luck keeps continuing, my man. I will line you guys up next to your teams. Anders, you got Vancouver. Frankie, Buffalo and Red Wings. And Travis, you got the Islanders. We'll go and grab our final timestamp. 3:39. 3:39. Be live soon, you guys.